Altai Balance Reviews. A brand new supplement called Altai Balance lowers blood sugar levels, aiding in the maintenance of a healthy lifestyle. Regular glucose levels aid in lowering the risk of developing diabetes. Do you live a graceful life? Or do you have any health issues? No one is immune to illness in this world. At any point in life, health issues can arise in one form or another. A major health problem that affects millions of individuals globally is diabetes. The majority of people have type 2 diabetes. We have a remedy for everything now, yet it's still best to treat health issues naturally. When the production of insulin is inadequate, joint and muscular issues are brought on by diabetes. Reducing such health issues has therefore become crucial. The healthy functioning of the body could be hampered by the rise in glucose levels. It might result in anxiety, stress, and tiredness. Thus, Altai Balance is available to help with such health issues. This is a fantastic way to lower sugar levels. This is a fantastic method for finding relief from any diabetes-related health issues. To lead a healthy lifestyle, diabetes must be under control. As a result, this supplement is suitable for everyone and works amazingly. Hyperglycemia, or high blood sugar, is another name for it. This is a dangerous health condition that has a lot of negative side effects on the body. Therefore, using this calculation, we can lower the likelihood of developing such health issues. How might Altai Balance assist in controlling blood sugar levels? A healthy and natural regimen should be used to keep blood sugar levels under control. To maintain better health, several drugs are being used. However, many health remedies are chemically overloaded, which causes the body to perform incorrectly. Some dietary supplements are made to enhance how the body works. A brand new nutritional supplement called Altai Balance aids in controlling blood sugar levels. This fantastic mixture can address a variety of issues, including heart disease, high cholesterol, muscle and joint discomfort, and many others. The formula could be used to address the body's unbalanced functioning. Returning insulin production to normal lowers the elevated sugar. What stands out about utilizing Altai Balance? There are a few critical elements that offer crucial details regarding the supplement. Here are all the essential characteristics. The healthiest method of maintaining normal blood sugar. There are no negative effects that one might experience. In order to lower diabetes, it offers weight loss. This recipe can enhance the health of the heart and the brain. It contains specific antioxidants that aid in the body's removal of all poisons and pollutants. The remedy aids in easing diabetes-related discomfort and inflammation. The health of the muscles and joints can be enhanced. How does Altai Balance lower blood sugar levels? The formula's constituent mix aids in improving how the body functions. The supplement uses a natural process to enhance the body's general functionality. The primary goal of the supplement is to interfere with how the body produces and uses insulin. It might aid in controlling high blood pressure and blood sugar levels. The solution has a remarkable combination of ingredients that lowers blood sugar levels. The new formula Altai Balance offers some incredible methods for treating medical conditions. To make it healthier, magnesium, zinc, vitamin E, and biotin are added. The regulation of blood flow lessens the likelihood of health issues. This is a potent solution that could help people live healthier lives. So, it is how the product mimics how the body functions. What components are included in the formula to reduce diabetes? The recipe has some incredible additions that promote the body's healthy functioning and lower the risk of developing diabetes. The formula includes organic and natural components. The following are the components of the provided formula. Taurine lessens the risk of heart disease. Controls excessive blood pressure and cardiac issues. This chemical can be used to keep cholesterol levels in check. Licorice root, as an antioxidant, it helps to lessen pain and inflammation in the body. It aids in lowering the danger of respiratory infections. It enhances intestinal health and digestion. This chemical can also be used to treat skin issues. Cayenne pepper, this combination can improve metabolism. Dealing with the body's negative functioning could be beneficial. It lessens diabetes-related body pain and could aid in the battle against malignant cells. Banaba leaf, this component also aids in balancing blood sugar levels. It might aid in lowering blood pressure and cholesterol. Gymnema leaf, it might aid in lowering cravings for sweet foods. To balance blood sugar, the body may secrete more insulin. Using this chemical can lower the risk of heart disease. It is one of the wonderful methods for enhancing wellness. What negative effects do people experience? People using this product don't encounter any negative side effects. One of the greatest natural diabetes management remedies is this one. It has no negative impacts on the body. People notice their bodies functioning properly. Thus, this has no negative side effects. What is the product's drawback? The following is a list of some product limitations. Not everyone should use it. There could be some negative effects. Inaccessible on the open market. Women who are expecting are not authorized to use it. How do you use it? It is incredibly simple to use. You must eat a balanced, sugar-free diet. After a meal, take 3 tablets each day. You may continue taking this supplement after a meal. 3 meals should be consumed each day. It shouldn't be used in its entirety. Avoiding overdosing is advised. How long does it take to produce beneficial outcomes? Knowing the precise impacts on the body takes close to 60 days. It is an advantageous supplement that controls blood sugar levels. The timing of results may vary from person to person. Where to buy it? This supplement is available to purchase online. There is an official website where we may purchase it and find some incredible specials and discounts. Is it safe? Yes, the formula is secure for everyone to use. People don't encounter any negative impacts. One of the greatest supplements for managing diabetes is this one. What do users say about it? Users are content and delighted to use this vitamin. It has aided individuals in managing diabetes by controlling blood sugar levels. It has provided people with numerous incredible advantages. As a result, it is a fantastic strategy to lower diabetes.